Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to tell you how you can control things that are powered with normal electricity. And to make things simple, I will build on my previous example when I had an LED blink each time someone had a like on Facebook. But this time I will make a normal lamp blink instead. So let me start off with a word of warning. Normal household electricity is dangerous, and it's not something that anyone should play around with. If you are not experienced dealing with normal electricity and are absolutely sure you know what you're doing, I advise you not to perform this lab, but rather watch how it's done as a theoretical learning experience. Okay, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this lab built on the one I in my previous video. So for more details on the code, please see that video. If you did the lab from the previous video and that code is still in your Arduino June board, then you can concentrate on the hardware this time. Here you can see the needed hardware, and in addition to the Arduino, the important component is a relay module. It's a nice piece of hardware that can open or close an alternating current that is used in normal electricity. And it's controlled by a low power signal such as the one that Arduino board can supply. You also need 3 jumper cables of the kind that I have a male pin on one end and a female at the other. You also need a normal extension cable that can be manipulated to allow the relay to control the current. And of course you need a lamp that can connect to the extension cable. To set up the hardware, you should start by disconnecting everything from its power source. And each time you want to change something, make sure to always do this first. Then you connect the Arduino ground to the ground or minus on the relay. And it's a good habit to always use a black jumper for ground. Continue by connecting the 5 volt on the Arduino to the power or plus on the relay, and the good habit here is to use a red jumper. Now you connect pin 13 on the Arduino to the signal or S pin on the relay. That's what's needed for controlling the relay, and if you like, you can connect the Arduino to the power, and after a while the LED on the relay should blink with the same frequency as the LED on the Arduino board. Don't forget to remove the power again before you continue. Now we are ready for the lamp, and the easiest way to do this is to remove the outer insulation somewhere on the middle of the extension cable. But make sure that you leave the inner insulation on each of the cables intact. Identify the ground cable. It's usually the one with 2 colors, green and yellow. And then you can choose to cut any of the other cables. Remove some of the insulation from each cut end. And the end that goes to the power supply should go to the middle of the relay, usually called COM. And the other end should go into the NO port of the relay. Okay, so now it's time to test it, and start by connecting the Arduino to the power. Wait for the LEDs on both boards to start flashing, and then keep very clear from the whole setup when you connect the mains power and while it's connected. And here you can see how it looks when the lamp is blinking when someone gets a like on Facebook. So using this technique, you can control anything that is powered with normal electricity, and that will take your Internet of Things projects to new levels. And with that, I wish you the best of luck with your Internet of Things projects. Thank you